Time to update your vehicle? Take a look at this 2009 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.